Hello, I'm Doris from shiatsulondon.com. I'm a Shiatsu practitioner and I work in St. John's Wood at the beautiful Violet Hill Studios. I'm working with lots of families from babies until the older. Shiatsu is a Japanese therapy and the literary translation means finger pressure. As a practitioner, we use our hands, palms, fingers, and even sometimes knees to put pressure on acupuncture points and the meridians, what is very beneficial for lots of different issues and also very relaxing and good for well-being. Today here I am at the Three House Club to give you a few tips what you can do for self-care. And a lot of people suffer from headaches occasionally, and I think one reason is because we are very much working on screens nowadays. So I'd like to just give you one example of a point you can use to help lift headaches and also refresh your eyes. So you use your thumbs and you look for an acupressure point and you can follow me while I'm doing it. You can do it on yourself. So you basically go to the inner canthus of the eye, that's the eye socket, and you find a little indentation in the bone and you just push your thumbs into them and then you let your head drop into your thumbs and stimulate this point for about 20 seconds. And you should feel like an energetic charge. And afterwards you will feel like your eyesight is brightening and hopefully your sinuses will open and your headaches will lift. And if it doesn't work right away, you have to repeat it. So this is a really good point for modern living. A second tip I'm going to give you today, because as mothers you very often lift a lot and a lot of mothers have neck and shoulder tension. So I'm going to start with the neck, and you can use your palm and just grab your neck. And you start at the top and then squeeze the muscles to basically massage your neck muscles and just break it up a little bit. That increases the circulation and gives more blood flow to the tissue and will refresh the area. And then we always treat the right and the left side the same. So you switch over and use your other hand to do the same. Squeeze from top to bottom. And it's really lovely. And because you're doing it to yourself, you're doing it as light or as strong as you like. And from then on, we're going to address the shoulders, often very tight as well. So we're just going to tap out our chest and then go into the shoulder. Again, this brings more vital energy, chi, into the area and more circulation of blood. And then you switch over to the other side and do the same on the other side. And then you can do both, make the sound of ah, 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 to open up your chest. Alright, and then just have a listen. While you do this exercise, it's really preferable to do nice deep abdominal breathing, and you will have even more benefits. If you're interested in Shiatsu, if you would like to find out more, please do contact me. If I can answer any questions, you're very welcome to ring me up or send me an email. Thank you.